Recently, you registered your RYOBI line trimmer online. This video will show you some important maintenance procedures to help you get the most from your product. Check the air filters regularly and clean them in accordance with the instructions included in the manual. It's recommended that you replace the air filters once a year to maintain peak performance. Regularly check that your spark plugs are in good condition. If they are worn out and need replacing, be sure to check the manual for the correct type of spark plug. At some point you will need to change the spool because line will eventually need replacing. Align the arrows of your Real Easy bump feed head with this on the trimmer head. Feed new line through the eyelet until it's even in length with about 3 meters on both sides. Wind the bump knob until approximately 200 millimeters of line protrudes from either side. If you leave fuel in the tank for an extended period of time, you may need to empty the tank and clear the engine of stale fuel. Dispose of fuel responsibly. To clear the engine of stale fuel, run the engine with an empty tank until it stops. For more information about the range of RYOBI tools available, visit our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.